Choc. Wade and Choco back again. We are at Bronte Harbor. Yeah, the Canadian side. I gotta say, Choco just loves that stick. I think he wants me to try and take it from him. Hey, Choco? Can I get that stick? Give me that stick. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Oh, it's not looking good, Choco. Not looking good. There it is. There it is. Whoa, who got the stick now? Who got the stick? Whoa, okay. Okay. I think Choco's all played out. It's getting a little bit warm. It's actually cooler. And the day's getting a little bit warm. I think we're bracing for about a 2-day heat wave. Whoa, there he goes again with the stick. Whoa! Is he going for a belly roll? Whoa! Whoa! He lost it. He lost it. He lost it. There it is. There it is, Choco. Whoa, he's gonna get it. He's determined. Whoa, he got it. Choco was determined.